this is so exciting. This is my grandma trusty scissors. This thing is probably weigh 1.5 pounds itself. It is serious metal. And a flap phone first. I don't get a lot of cool stuff often, but when I do, I'm pretty stoked about this. I'm seriously really excited about this. So there you go. Let me read some of the specs for you if you don't know. 4G LTE capable, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, Optic AMOLED 6.67 2K display, 48 plus 8 plus 16 triple camera setup, 4,000 milliamp hour, non-removable of course, fast charging capable, UFS 3.0, 2-lane 256 gig, 8 gigs of RAM. That was a big thing too. And OS Android Pie is the RAM because, let me bring my scissor back. My laptop, the one that I had before, had only 4 gigs of RAM, and editing pictures, Photoshop, Premiere, all those different things, wasn't able to keep up. So the Asus that I have right now, the ZenBook, has 12 gig of RAM, which has been pretty good. Has a dedicated 2 gigs to just the graphic, which is good enough for now, but I can see myself, I can see sometimes it snag a little bit that I would have to upgrade very, very soon. Got red as fire. Okay, so let's do this. Up here, oh, never settle. I've never had a phone this huge. The S7 was the biggest phone I ever owned, and I've always wanted to go to a phone that was smaller and thinner and slimmer. And now I have this thing. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Oh, perfect. We have a clear gel case. I will definitely be using that immediately. Okay, you have your SIM card tool. Sent this, which says to replace or upgrade your current SIM card. Call this number. Now, I know that, before I go further, I know that 5G is a new thing. And however, what I did not know is that you can't just have 5G. Phone that does not use SIM cards, they can just upgrade that 5G if you have the phone. But phone that you do have SIM cards, like T-Mobile, Sprint, like Metro Pieces, all those different things, you have to get a 5G SIM card. Your current SIM cards are, even if you have a phone that is 5G, if your SIM card is not 5G compatible, it's not necessarily going to work. So maybe that's what this is. I'm not really ready for that yet. Welcome kit. And of course, the OnePlus Never Settle sticker. I actually think I'm gonna put that on my laptop. I like it. It goes with my style. I think that there's a space for it, like about here somewhere. Right. I don't even know how to put it down. Max warp charge 30 watts. I mean, I'm not really worried about the fast charge because I'm going to have the external battery pack, but it's good to have. I mean, this thing is beast. My charging cable. Now, with a lot of phones that I've purchased, upgraded to in the recent past, I've just been using the same cord that I had from the phone before to the next one and just keep all the cords, the headphones, everything like that in the box because it works fine with me. Yes, the cord can support different charging speed. Oh, it is so slippery. Oh my. Okay, let me take out the SIM card and switch it first. You know, one thing that I wish they had sent with it was a screen cover. They sent with that, which is great, but I wish they had a screen cover. This is my S8, by the way. Yeah. I got the size difference. How do you turn this thing on? Hi there. Camera is done. It is done. Okay, so in this part, I just want to go through over some of the features that I know this phone has that a lot of people are excited about. Is this? Okay, are you ready for this? Did you see that? Let me take a selfie real quick. Dope this. Okay, so there it is. I have my OnePlus. Now I'm gonna spend the next 3 days customizing it, changing the color back again to another picture, change the font, change the theme, change the color.